ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. Vvsm ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಖಿಲ check your notebook and part of things for now. Okay, corona is really dangerous. Be cautious, use mask, keep social distance, and sanitize. Matter. Do you know what is matter? Matter is a substance which is made up of maybe in the form of solid, liquid, or a gas. Coming to the physical quantities, very important, physical state of matter. The atomic structure is concerned. Matter is made up of many atoms and molecules. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element, you know that, and it is made up of cation and anion. What are those cations and anions? They are the energy particles or energy charged bodies. Neutral atom is, if it loses electrons, it becomes cation. A neutral atom, it gains electrons, it becomes anion. Cation and anion are nothing but charged ions, positive ion and negative ions. And at the same time, sodium atom, chlorine atom, you know that atomic structure is important. Atom consists of electrons, protons, neutrons. Protons and neutrons are packed together in the nucleus, and the electrons which are revolving around the nucleus, as you know that. Yes, now I would like to divert your attention toward the physical quantity, a quantity that can be measured in terms of other quantities called physical quantity. What is a standard unit? A standard unit is an exact quantity that is used to compare the measurements. A standard unit that is universally acceptable is called an SI unit. Abbreviation stands for SI, Standard International. Here, if you observe the simple pendulum, the moments of the pendulum, which indicates the time, the physical quantities, length, mass, and time. Length, mass, and time. Length of the pendulum and mass of the bob of the pendulum and the time of oscillations and all these things are the physical quantities, length, mass, and time. And coming to the matter is concerned, you know, atoms, collision of atoms here, the mass collides each other and it pushes. That is the law of momentum. And coming to the vibrations of the matter in the solid, liquid, and gaseous structure of molecules, atoms in the solids, liquids, and gases. We had already discussed in the previous classes. And the gravity. Gravity is concerned, the falling bodies. You see here the light feather as well as the weight of the mass of this one body is dropped at a stretch with a closed vessel. All the things, both of them, though it is lighter and though it is heavier, both of them are falling at the same time to the ground because of the gravity. And coming to these important things, matters are regular shapes and irregular shapes. The regular shapes are the square, rectangle, triangle, and circles are the regular shapes. They are having their own shapes, length, breadth, thickness, and other things. These are the area of the square is length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is area of the square is side into side, that is side square, that is L square, because all the sides are equal to each other. Coming to the area of the rectangle, length into breadth, that is the area of the rectangle, length into breadth. And area of the triangle is half into base into height. Is, you know, the formula of half into base into height is nothing but the area of the triangle. What is this in the science? We are taking all these things, mathematics, it is a mathematical science. So you have to know. Coming to the units of area, that is area of the circle, 1 meter square of the area of the square, where each side is 1 meter. So now coming to the measurement of the irregular bodies. How do you going to measure the irregular bodies? A irregular lamina, it is not having a definite shape, definite size, definite length, definite breadth. So how do you measure it? That is, you have to take a graph sheet for that, and you have to place on the irregular body on that, and you mark the irregular shape of the body, and you can mark the squares and determine, and you can count by manual. You can count all the squares, and you can total squares you will get, and you apply the formula and get it. So these are the very important things in the physical quantities, my dear friends. Nikhil, I am going to close the transmission now. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ವೀರಭದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ ಗೋಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ VVSM ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಲಾಗಾನ್ ಆಗಿ ವೀರಭದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ @gmail.com, ವೀರಭದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ YouTube, VVSM Academy. Just you type VVSM Academy, you will get the important notifications. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe to VVSM Academy. Thank you.